Hello everybody to Damodar Talks from Hyderabad. This time I am going to give elaborate and full description of the speed of light, how I discovered it and what are the ingredients and the calculations behind that. It was a time in 1980s when I was sitting with some of the friends in Begumpet. Suddenly a major popped up into our meeting place, and after that came our ex-Prime Minister Rajiv Gandhi, and we were discussing about it, and we came across the speed of light concretely along with the aeronautics information about the swift wing and some other points from Bruhad Vimana Shastra. Here I am going to give details. After that, what happened? After that, we went into the seminar of Birla Science Center where I read Bhishma in uh, Mahabharata and Rigveda, etc. Martanda, its his details and some other points where I read a paper at Birla Science Center where our ex-governor Kumudben Joshi came and appreciated my paper, and you will be surprised that lot of newspapers covered this news telling that Mahabharata and other epics were real things which were going around on the skies of our ancient India. Then I happened is in seminar on astronomy and mathematics in the ancient and medieval India, a dialogue between the traditional scholars and university trained scientists. This was on May 19, 20 and 21 of 1987 conducted by the Asiatic Society of 1 Park Street, Calcutta 700016. The seminar was conducted in Ramakrishna Mission campus, and we were happy to see that they were a beautiful host and wonderful hospitality we got it there. And the something strange we have seen, which is a new thing to our South Indians, is that fish is a vegetable food there in the Calcutta Ramakrishna Mission, and they served as boneless fish, sea fish, which were bigger than the bread pieces and tastier than our chicken or mutton on those days. And we enjoyed the food there wonderfully. Because I am telling this, we never think fish is a vegetable thing in South India, and in Calcutta it is a vegetable. This I want to stress is more to you. And one more thing, there we were given double bedroom rooms, and we were taken care of many things. The speed of light, the paper I read is ancient knowledge about the velocity of light from Mahabharata. The books I read for this is the Buddhist book The Light of Asia and Markandeya Purana, Lalita Vistara and some other books which were well known among the traditional scholars. The innocent looking words Surya Ratham travels 2202 yojanas in a nimisha or the half nimisha gave us the speed of light. We get velocity of light in two methods. By Katapayadi Sutra, we get the light here as 1,86,000 miles per second. You may be not aware of the Katapayadi Sutra, but which the Katapayadi Sutra is well known among the Tamilians as well as music lovers. The Katapayada Sutra is nothing but giving one number to each of our alphabets, which I will be covering in some other paper. And one more thing, here the modern calculation of the speed of light is as 1,87,670 miles per second. We know the speed of light per second from 1% of European scientist who calculated this recently, but the speed of light was calculated and given to us from the period of Buddha and was written in The Light of Asia by Edwin Orland and the Lalita Vistara of the ancient poet. We come here that half nimisha is equivalent to 0.106666 seconds. In Markandeya Purana 43-23.24 and in other Puranas the following table is given following the Vaisheshya school of philosophy. 1 Paramanu is equal to 1 Anukala. 3 Anus is equal to 1 Trasarenu. 100 Trutis is equal to 1 Veda. 3 Vedas is equal to 1 Lava. 3 Nimishas is equal to 1 Kshana. And 5 Kshanas is equal to 1 Kasta or 15 Nimishas. 30 Kastas is equal to 1 Kala. And 30 Kalas is equal to 1 Murta. And 30 Murtas is equal to 1 Divaratra. That is a 24 hours in our calculation. According to modern calculations, 1 day is equal to 24 into 60 into 60 seconds. This method gives us some other style of calculation. Therefore, 1 nimisha is equal to 8 by 75 seconds, which comes around 1.0.106666 seconds, which is a minute part of seconds. We will be surprised how they calculated such a minute time, and that is why they can be calculating the modern mathematics and astronomy and many other things in ancient period. You will be surprised that even Vimana Shastra has many modern methods of science which NASA is struggling to sort out even now. The yojana according to the Edwin Arland Light of Asia and Lalita Vistara is as follows. 1 yojana is equal to 1 crosus and 1 crochet is equal to 2000 baras, and 1 bara is equal to 2 yards. 1 crochet is equal to 1 into 2000 into 2 is equal to 4000 yards, and 2 miles are equal to 760 yards. 1 crochet is equal to 2 miles plus 480 yards. Therefore, 1 yojana is equal to 4 crosses minus 2 miles plus 400 yards, that is equal to 8 miles and 1920 yards, that is equal to 9 1 by 11 miles, or 100 by 11th part of a mile. Light travels at 2202 yojanas in half nimisha. Therefore, 2202 into 100 divided by 11 into 75 into 8 is equal to 1,86,670 miles per second. This is how the speed of light was calculated in our ancient period. The difference between modern method and this method is less than 1%. According to Rigveda, it is given as 1,86,000 miles, when later interpreted to Katapayadi sutra also. This is how I calculated the speed of light from Mahabharata, Rigveda, Katapayadi sutra, and Light of Asia from Buddha's history, Lalita Vistara, and Vaisheshika school of philosophy, Markandeya Purana, and so on. You will be surprised that we don't have any method of science or history which was told by Europeans and some other modern scientists, but in this one method of calculating speed of light, we see Markandeya Purana, Vaisheshika school of philosophy, Light of Asia, the Buddha's life history, Lalita Vistara, and many more, Rigveda and Katapayadi Sutra, so on. All these are not sciences in the view of modern scientists, so let them think about what we have stored in our ancient period, which they have given in a small sample of speed of light, where more than 10 books are referred, and are they not being the sciences of ancient period, and Puranas, which they call, are nothing but historic mythology and as well as scientific methodology given here and there. This is how our ancient saints gave us the information about the ancient science to a layman in ancient era. This is what I want to say to our YouTubers, and hope you give me a good like, and if you have any questions, please go on writing your questions. I am happy to give information as well as reply to all your questions. Thank you very much.